Hello, moneymakers. Let me ask you something real quick. How many hours a day do you spend watching YouTube? An hour? 2? Maybe more? Now, what if I told you that in the same amount of time, you could be building a channel that earns you a 6-figure income? Sounds crazy? I get it. But let me show you something. There's a YouTube channel out there. Nothing fancy, no face on camera, no big production crew, just simple top 5 videos. They've got over 3 million subscribers, and their most viewed videos have got 36 million, 29 million, and 24 million views. That's not luck. That's a system. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Even if you've never uploaded a video before. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be a video editor. You just need the right tools, a bit of strategy, and around 2 to 3 focused hours a day. That's it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, step by step. How I find unlimited viral topics in the top 5 or top 10 niche. How I use AI to create these videos faster than ever. And most importantly, how to get your channel monetized as quickly as possible. Without breaking any YouTube rules, I've been doing this for over a year now. This isn't theory. I've helped creators go from 0 to monetized channels, and I've tested almost every niche you can imagine. So I know what works right now in 2025. And if you want to go even deeper, I've built a private community where you can access my exclusive courses on YouTube automation, connect with me on group coaching calls, and help you connect with other creators just like you. If you really want to grow, this is the place to fast-track your success. The link is in the description if you want to join the inner circle. But first, this video is packed with the good stuff. So grab your favorite coffee, close all those distracting tabs, and let's get started. Alright, I've broken this process down into 5 simple steps. I recommend watching this video till the end to fully understand how everything works. Then you can follow each step easily. Okay, let's jump straight into step 1. Finding topics. Let's get straight into it. Finding the right topic is one of the most important steps, because this is where we decide what kind of videos to make, and more importantly, what people actually want to watch. Now, if you're thinking of just randomly brainstorming viral video ideas, bro, you're doing it all wrong. The real secret to a viral YouTube channel is reverse engineering. That means you don't just guess what might work. You pick topics that are already working. So I used my brain and came up with a smart trick. Instead of gambling on random ideas, we copy the exact blueprint of viral videos, and then tweak it for our own content. Here's what you need to do. Go to the Top 5's YouTube channel and click on the Popular tab. That will show you a list of their most viewed videos. And if you have the vidIQ extension, you'll even see which videos are still getting views right now. That means now you clearly know which topics are trending on YouTube. You can slightly modify those topics and make them your own. And if you're still confused, no worries. Our best friend ChatGPT is always here to help us out like always. And honestly, when you've got AI Maskman by your side, why worry at all? Your AI Maskman has already done all the heavy lifting, tons of research, tested prompts, and trained ChatGPT like a pro. I've created a perfect prompt for you, and you'll find it in the video description by joining our Telegram channel. Once you open the doc linked there, just copy one of the prompts and paste it into ChatGPT. And boom! ChatGPT will instantly give you tons of topic ideas. Clickable, searchable, and full of mystery. Exactly the kind your audience will love watching. Now let's say you find a topic on this channel that you really like and want to make something similar. Just copy that topic and ask ChatGPT, give me more topics like this one, and paste the topic after that. As you can see here, ChatGPT gave me 20 similar high-performing video ideas in seconds. So that's how you use ChatGPT to find viral video ideas based on what's already working. Now just pick your favorite title from the list, and you're ready to go. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Script writing. Before we move ahead, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button right now. That way, this video gets saved to your liked videos playlist. So even if you forget something later, you can easily come back and re-watch it whenever you need to apply these steps. Now I know when it comes to writing scripts, most people start sweating. It's time-consuming, and yes, takes real effort. Because the script is everything. It's what keeps your audience watching till the very end. And if your script is weak, or has the wrong information, you might start getting negative comments. Or worse, people just click away. That's why this step is super important, and you should take your time with it. But don't worry, You don't have to write it yourself. Let me show you how to generate a full, high-quality video script effortlessly using AI. Yes, we're using ChatGPT again for this step. Just follow along step by step. Head back to my Google Doc and you'll find a script writing prompt there. All you need to do is add your topic to the prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. And boom, ChatGPT will generate a script that sounds natural, with the right hooks and even a bit of humor sprinkled in. And yes, this script doesn't sound robotic or AI generated at all. But if you want, feel free to tweak it a little to match your own style. In fact, I recommend not using ChatGPT's script exactly as it is. Add your own lines in the intro, throw in a bit of your own humor. That way, your audience can really connect with you. Even if the script is too long or the intro feels too short, just give ChatGPT a quick prompt and it'll fix it in seconds. Pretty amazing, right? Alright, our script is now ready. Now it's time to give it a clear and professional voice. Step 4. Voiceover. Alright, now that our script is ready, it's time to bring it to life with a high-quality voiceover. Let's start by selecting a voice. But let's be honest, not everyone has that perfect voice for voiceovers. Sometimes we end up sounding like a broken speaker or a bored student reading in class. And recording the same line 50 times only to still sound off? Yeah, total pain. That's exactly why I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool that makes this whole process super easy. And yes, the voice sounds shockingly real. I'm talking about Dubdub AI. With this tool, you can generate voiceovers, create avatar videos, or even clone your own voice to make something truly unique. But for now, let's go with the AI voiceover option. So go ahead and click on AI voiceover to get started. And now you'll land on this screen. First, let's select the language, gender, and age for the voice. You can also try the ultrasound option. It sounds much more realistic. Plus, the cool part? You can preview how your selected voice sounds in different languages too. So go ahead, play one of the voices and see how it sounds.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Sounds great, right? Now, if your niche involves dialogues or emotional storytelling, you can also try the multi-emotive voices. These let you choose the emotion for each part of your script, which is such an awesome feature. After testing out several options, I'm going with Charlie's voice from the Movie Explained section for my video. Now just copy your script and paste it into Dubdub AI. You'll also find options to add pauses, adjust speed, and lots of other features to help you make the voice sound super natural. And that's it. Once you're happy with the result, listen to the full voiceover, make any final tweaks, and then hit export. And just like that, step 3 is complete. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Finding clips. To make a good video, you need the right footage that matches your script. So I'll show you where to find these clips. First, go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me suggestions for video clips, images, and sound effects for each scene. ChatGPT will then give you helpful ideas for every part of your script. Now, based on those ideas, you can search for free clips and images. You can use websites like Canva, Videvo, Pexels, and Pixabay. These are great for free footage. If you want more professional clips, you can try paid websites like Storyblocks and Envato. Sometimes, it's hard to find the exact video clip, so you can also use images from Google. Not every topic has ready-made videos, so using images is also okay. You can also use some clips from YouTube, but only from videos that have a Creative Commons license. Just make sure you give credit to the original creator in your video description, and don't take full videos. Only use a few short parts, and edit them properly under the fair use rule. And if your video is about something like top 5 terrifying earthquakes, you might need to take short clips from social media or news to show real scenes. Sometimes you'll just have to use images if videos aren't available. And one more amazing source is Google Earth Studio. I'm sure you've heard about this tool before. With Earth Studio, you can create videos and images of any location that's available on Google Maps. Just go to Google Earth Studio and click on New Project. Now, choose the camera angle you want and click Start. Next, enter the location you want and hit Next. Earth Studio will then show you a video preview of that place. You can adjust the altitude, orbit, and other settings to match your style. Then click Next again and choose how many seconds long you want the video to be. Once everything is set, click the render button. Give your project a name, select MP4 as the format, and hit Submit. It may take some time to export the video, so you can work on something else while it renders. And that's how you collect the right clips and images for your video, based on your topic. Now let's move on to the last and most important step. Step 5. Editing. But before we begin, if you want to learn all of this in detail, you can join my school community through the link given below. And if you don't want to do all of this yourself, you can also hire my team, who will work on your channel from start to finish. From niche and topic selection to final upload, they'll handle everything for you. So if you have a budget to outsource, feel free to book a free call with me. Both links are in the description. Now, for editing, I'm going to use the CapCut desktop app. Open CapCut and import your voiceover, images, videos, and all the materials you've collected. First, drag and drop your voiceover file into the timeline. If the volume sounds low, you can easily adjust it from here. Now, above the voiceover layer, start adding your footages, images, and videos one by one, according to the script. At first, you might feel confused about which clip to place, where, but don't worry. You'll get the hang of it as you keep editing. Watch the reference channel's videos as much as you can. It'll help you understand how and where to place the right footage in your video. You can also increase or decrease the speed of any clip if needed. Next, go to the stickers section. To make your video more engaging, add stickers wherever they fit the scene. There should always be some kind of movement in the video, so it doesn't look boring to the viewer. Also, in each sticker, you can add animation from here to make it look smooth and dynamic. Then go to the sound effects section and add little sounds like mouse clicks, camera shutters, etc. These small touches make a big difference in making your video feel alive. And finally, to show different locations in your video, use the text templates and write the name of the place. For example, here I'm adding the text, Sentinel Island. Now, if you're talking about any government document or news article, you can also highlight the headline on the screen to grab attention. Let me show you how to do that. First, take a screenshot of the article you're referring to, then import it into CapCut and add it to the timeline. Next, add the default text box on the layer above the screenshot. Now, type the word or line you want to highlight and position it directly above the text in the screenshot. After that, delete the text and just press spacebar repeatedly until the text box covers the full line. Then scroll down to the background option and select the yellow color. Adjust the height and width of the text box so it fits neatly over the line you want to highlight. Now go to Animations and select the Wipe Right animation, this one. Then, right-click on the text box and choose Create Compound Clip. After that, go to the Blend option and select Multiply. And just like that, your highlight effect is done. Keep adding small effects like this in your video to make it more professional and engaging. This is how you can build a high-quality video step by step. After that, you can also add cool animations to your images and videos from here. These small effects will make your video look much more professional and dynamic. Then, to bring your video to life, you can add cinematic intro music, water sounds, or any other relevant effects. If your scene has fire, add a fire sound. If there's rain, add a rain sound. Basically, add sounds that match the vibe of the visuals. You should also add a calm documentary-style background music so your video doesn't feel boring and stays engaging throughout. Now, for color grading, you can try different filters from here. I personally use the 4K and clear filter for my entire video, but feel free to try out different filters and see what suits your content best. Next, you need to add transitions between each clip. There are plenty of options here, so choose the ones that fit your video's style. For normal scenes, you can go with dissolve, mix, black fade, and other smooth transitions. Finally, generate auto captions and add subtitles to your video. From the template section, choose the one with simple animation to keep it clean and professional. And that's it. Your video is now ready. This is how you can build a successful top 5 YouTube channel completely on your own using AI tools. But if you still don't want to do all this yourself, or you simply don't have the time, but you have the budget, you can book a free call with me using the link in the description. My team will take care of everything for your channel, no matter which niche you're in. So don't wait. Start creating content by yourself. or hire us to create content for you. Thank you for watching. Now, let's take a look at our demo video.
There are islands so remote, so dangerous, or so politically charged that they're erased from maps, sealed off by governments, or cloaked in myth. These are not your average paradise getaways. These are places where trespassers vanish, where time stands still, and where the silence screams louder than the waves. From biological nightmares to ancient secrets buried beneath the soil, these forbidden islands are shrouded in secrecy for a reason. And no one's talking about them until now. In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies an island that time and the modern world forgot. Sentinel Island, home to the elusive Sentinelese tribe, is strictly off-limits to outsiders, officially protected by the Indian government. No one is allowed to step foot on its shores, and for good reason. This tribe has lived in isolation for over 60,000 years, untouched by modern civilization. Attempts at contact have ended in hostility, and sometimes death. In 2006, 2 fishermen strayed too close and were killed. Even aerial missions avoid flying low, out of fear of provoking the tribe. Some anthropologists believe that their genetic code may hold secrets to prehistoric human survival.